Hey guys, we're back, and this is the first video of the neighbor's YouTube channel. And first, we're making some slime today, so first things first, I'm gonna need some glue. Can I have some glue? Thanks. In a bowl. Forgot a bowl. So, we're gonna put this in a bowl. And I need some baking soda. Can I have some baking soda? Oh, thanks, imaginary hand. Now we're gonna add some dish soap. Now we're gonna need some food coloring. Give me some food coloring now. That should be enough. Now we're gonna mix. Now it's time to combine. Finishing it up. Time to mix. This is how the slime is so far. Next time to add activator. Looks like this slime was a success. It's the end of the video, guys. I know it's so sad, but this is how our slime turned out. Bye, guys. See you next time. Thanks, hand.